Back to work on the MR2. I think we're gonna move on to, since the wiring is done, the next step is gonna be to yank this thing back out of here because we got a bunch of stuff to do to it. There's no flywheel or clutch in there, so we gotta do that. Maybe clean some stuff up. We need to repair this firewall in here and fill in holes that we're not gonna use, and just, oh, we gotta pull the gas tank out and we got to pull the gas tank out and get our fuel pump installed in there and get that thing cleaned out because we don't know what's been there. We got to actually, before I pull it out, I think we're gonna do the fabrication on this guy. So we will measure and place this where we want it, and then we'll cut this tube, and then we'll take this whole housing off, clean it, and weld this to it. So this will be our new radiator fill, or cooling system fill. All right, there it is. Oh, where's my little bar? Right here. That guy's gonna go in there. It's not gonna be put on finally until you know, we get the motor out and do all our stuff, put it back in for final, because it is currently the tallest thing in the engine bay. So we're gonna go ahead and take this sucker back off. So what I did to make it look so nice, I think it looks nice anyways, is I put it back in the sandblasting cabinet after I was done welding it, blasted it all down, and then I go, then it's just a raw metal, and then I go and I put like a satin, I did put a satin clear on this, so it just keeps it from oxidizing, keeps it looking nice longer. Like you can see all this aluminum is oxidized, that white powdery, you know, doesn't look as nice. But yeah, figured keep it looking nice. That's ready to go for when the motor is ready to go back in. So we're gonna put that over here with those parts. See, I got a few things. Some of this is going in when the motor comes out, like this is the VVTi line, clutch, flywheels up here. Here's the air intake stuff. More air intake stuff. There's gauge cluster, you know, tail lights, piles of stuff. Piles of stuff. So I'm gonna put the bolts back on here so that I don't lose them. And I'm gonna sit down and think if there is anything else on this engine in here that needs to be done before I go and pull it out. So I'm gonna ponder that for a little bit, make sure there's nothing else, and then we're gonna get started on pulling this drivetrain back out of this thing. Thank you guys for watching. Please smash that like button and please subscribe to this channel. We'll catch you on the next one.